Alrighty guys, we're headed back up to my grandpa's old place. Got a co-pilot today. We decided we needed more blocks, so I snagged 2 of the blocks for my next project from the house. I got to get more when that project comes up for another outfit. And we're taking the wheel tractor up there because everybody at Grandpa's decided they liked how that stone was laying down, so they ordered a whole truck and transfer load for them, and he'll apparently be there in a couple hours. So when folks say, shoot got 3,500, you get more horsepower. Well, man, I dare you put that in the 3,500. I know Haas would do it in the second gen. For some reason, that truck is just an anomaly. But that's only like a quart of firewood. It ain't nothing. Probably about the same as a tractor somehow. But let's head up there. Get her. Ah, we're back at the job. That's at my grandpa's place. They've been cleaning it up slowly but surely. That's a big project. This is stuff from the front with that retaining wall. Gotten rid of a lot of junk. Just years of just the last people that lived here brought a lot of crap here. It's unfortunate. But they got scrap runs, trash runs. I just did a dump run. That was in the last video with the red truck. But we got the gravel guy coming, and we got a mess down here from a building that tore down, so I want to get this stuff kind of moved over as best I can. So we'll go ahead and get this junk moved out of the way. Go forward a little bit. Alright. Get it out of the greens just a little bit. You smiling? Oh man. You guys ever notice the roof? Old newspaper printing stuff. It's all faded, so you can't see anything on there. That's what my grandpa used to do. It's where my dad and his brothers all grew up. This place here. And it always had this, I can't even see it right here, just pea gravel stuff everywhere. Because that was cheap. So they would just fill up this old truck right here to the brim. Because it was per load, cheap. And they just dump that pea gravel stuff here. So this is the nice construction stuff. Yeah, I can't even tell you how many times I've come up in here and turned around. And it's always been pretty much dirt or, yeah, there's some of that pea gravel junk right here. I mean, it did the job. It's what they had in the budget, but man, this is a huge upgrade. This might as well be concrete. Black, oh, I forgot my gravel back here. Crap. But we're gonna spread a little bit more. Finish this up because it's supposed to have 8 inches of snow here in 2 days. Got a 2-foot block. I'm enjoying these time-lapse segments. It's kind of funny to see, you know, what goes on in the exit movies here on the side of it. I didn't even offering up there or anything, so I didn't want to check it out. Nevertheless, it's nice to see this property getting revamped and repurposed, and the next generation going into this house and actually making it a home, changing up the landscaping, making it comfortable to their lifestyle, and just keeping their little ones safe. It's a full family project, but we're wrapping up everything right now. I got the wheel tractor loaded back up. Actually didn't use it that much. Hoss spent most of the time running the wheel loader, the little guy, back and forth. Yep, cops got called. They're always on call, gosh dang. But this project's about wrapped up. Give you one little glimpse of what's going on outside, and I guess you don't need to tie down your washing machine. But just make it happen? Yeah, I know. It fell out earlier. I have to order a new toolbox. And clapped. Alright, we're done. For now. Until other projects up here at Grandpa's house come up. But we got 8 big old blocks installed. Good deal. And truck and transfer and a dump truck load. They need to figure out a new plan for putting in their fence. How they're gonna do that on top of them blocks, so keep their yard up there.